In a lively jungle, 5 mischievous monkeys, Max, Mia, Milo, Molly, and Miko, were the best of friends. One sunny day, they decided to see who could jump the highest. Max, the biggest, went first, jumping high and landing with a thud. Mia, the clever one, climbed a tall branch and leaped off gracefully. Milo, the speedy one, raced up a tree, flipped in the air, and landed on his feet with a cheer. Molly, the smallest but bravest, jumped as high as she could but landed right in a patch of mud. Everyone burst into laughter, and even Molly giggled. Finally, Miko, the quiet thinker, climbed the tallest tree, enjoyed the view, and then leaped down, landing perfectly beside his friends. They realized it wasn't about who jumped the highest, it was about having fun together. Laughing and playing, the 5 monkeys spent the rest of the day enjoying their friendship in the jungle.